Hi, we're Team 1322, Team Bime and Selim, made up of Elizabeth, Olivia, Matthew, Jose, Mike, and myself, Jonathan. We just completed Sprint 1, and we finished version 1.0 of our app. Let's take a look at our iteration plan to see what we intended on finishing. So for Sprint 1, which has been the past 3 weeks, we intended on our overall goal to have the landing page finished, as well as the registration and login page. This means that for our users, they would be able to register a new account so that they can log into the application. And then as registered users, they want to be able to log in so they can access the application. And then as a user, they'd want to be able to navigate to the different screens that we have built so far. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of those features now. Included in being able to log in and register includes field validation for both screens. So we'll demo this in the registration screen. So we'll go over here and click create an account. So on this page for field validation, whenever you create a user, all fields must start with a letter, be a character A through Z, 0 through 9, an exclamation point, a dash, or a period, and also be 18 to 20 characters long. So let's go ahead and register a new user. So for the username, there'll be John Doe 11. And then for their password, it'll be password. And then to demo the validation, we'll go ahead and have our passwords be something different. So this one will be pass won't. And then for the first name, it's John. Phone number is 123-456-7890. Whenever you go ahead and click sign up, you'll see an error on the bottom that says the passwords don't match. This prevents the user from signing in. So we'll go ahead and fix that now. Now that the two passwords match, we'll go ahead and click sign up, and we're in. Once the user logs in, they'll be taken to their profile screen. Now, using the bottom navigation bar, they'll be able to transition between the different screens, which will be implemented later. To help the user know which screen they're on, the icon color will change to the active being blue. So for example, when we clicked on saved items, it turns blue. Same thing with the browse page, the posting an item page, and then finally back to the profile page. Let's go ahead and restart the application so you can see how the login feature works. Now that the app is restarted, we'll go ahead and insert our username, which is johndoe11, and then our password, which is password. And we'll go ahead and click sign in. This will take us back into the app where we can repeat all of our features. Now, these features were all part of Sprint 1, and we were actually able to get ahead of schedule and start working on some of the features that we intended on for Sprint 2. So, for example, we have our ability for, as a user, I want to have my information on display so people can contact me. Additionally, we've built out the landing pages for future stuff, such as the help page, as well as the My Items page. We've also gone ahead and allowed users to be able to edit their information. So we'll demo that now. First, users can click on the help page. Here's a placeholder. Same thing for My Listings. We've gone ahead and started to flush this out a little bit, but it's still a placeholder. But finally, if you click on the My Profile, here a user is able to see their details, such as their first name, their username, their email, and their phone number. If they click the Edit Profile, they now have the option to edit any of their fields, and those changes will be saved in the back end. And then if they wanted to, they can save them, or they can choose back to exit out without having any lasting changes. Overall, our first sprint went really well, but there's still some latent bugs in the app. However, we've already hinted at what we're going to do to fix them, and we've identified them and came up with potential solutions and have already incorporated them into our next sprint to be handled as our first action items. Thanks for watching.